Good morning.
guys! Welcome back again to our channel. And
In today's episode of this vlog journey,
isasama namin kayo sa Steveston.
Steveston, which is located in Richmond.
Steveston
There's a lot of people in here because we thought that it was gonna rain today and we were gonna go to a different place, but it's not raining today. It's actually quite sunny with kind of clear skies.
That's
not
okay.
really, it's kind of cloudy, but it's still sunny and hot. So we're gonna go for a quick walk here and take you with us.
Yeah, and makikita nyo din pala mamaya guys, we're planning on buying pizza sa famous Steveston Pizza dito. So, isa din yan sa pupuntahan natin mamaya. So,
That'll be our lunch.
yeah. Kaya, let's go!
So we are here at
Here at
Steveston. Okay, let's go walk. Okay, let's go. I know. There's a gelato place here. And a bunch of shops. And then there's a fisherman's wharf where they sell mga isda. Do you want to look? Yeah. Oh, sige, let's go look. Fisherman's wharf. Di ba may nakita tayong seal dito?
Yeah, oo, nagtatago lang siya sa ano.
Sa gilid. Ayan o. Mga wild salmon.
Best you can get.
Actually, mura siya, in fairness. Oo, puro salmon ang inaano nila ngayon. $15 each, salmon. Ayan, may mga prawns. Ayan.
So, para siyang ano sa Pilipinas. Para siyang supermarket.
Ayan. Para siyang ano,
Parang kung sa amin pa merkado. Sa Bisaya, merkado.
para siyang wet market, gano'n.
Oo, ganun.
Ayun o, $10 one basket. Mura na yan.
Mura, oo.
1 pound, $5. Gusto mo ba?
Wow. Wait, pero
Pang ano, like, sinigang.
sarap yung salmon.
Tapos, ano, hindi ko alam kung fresh, pero fresh ata ito eh. Ayan.
Okay.
Tapos, ang dami. Hanggang doon pa. Ayan, ayan ang mga presyo. Okay. Doon tayo. Wow.
Ito pala yung marami na ano.
Sashimi grade, oh. Nakatingnan niya. $5 per pound.
Mura no?
Mhm.
Wow.
Wow. Kala ni Kat na totoong tao yun. Pabalik na kami. Siguro bibili kami ng isang pound ng shrimp. Tapos, isa seafood boil.
Yeah.
No?
Ano, gagawin namin yung kagaya sa captain's bowl. Meron kay Jun, meron din tayo paprika. Butter, meron tayo lemon, kailangan natin.
Dito tayo, parang masarap dito. Ayun, 6 per pound.
Pinasobrahan na niya. How are you? Can we get 1 pound of jumbo? 1 pound? Yep.
Sure. Just 1 pound is okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, ayun na yung nabili namin na jumbo shrimp. $8.
$8.
1 pound.
Oo. Mahal na to sa syudad.
Ito. Pero, maganda kasi fresh. Ayun o, yung mga ano nila, salmon. Ay, rockfish pala. $6 per pound. Wala na ata dito, guys. Puro boats na lang siya. Puro boats. Guys, ayan yung ano. Yung pier. Pier ba tawag doon? Hindi ko alam eh. Pero ayan ang Steveston. So, lakad tayo dun sa may ano? Sa pier.
Ha?
Sa pier.
Sige, tara. Alam nyo, kaya ano pala, tinitignan ko kanina kung bakit maraming mga salmon dito at masyadong sagana sila sa mga fresh na ano. Ito pala yung parte pala ang Steveston ng historic dati. Port ng salmon
Fishing.
canning.
Yeah.
Oo.
True.
Kaya
May
pala-
actually doon, may museum ng for sa can.
Oo. Ay,
Yeah.
naalala mo, di ba may tinignan din tayo dito na yung Canadian-Japanese na...
Doon yun sa historic area doon. Parang
Oo, kasi sila din pala yung nag-ano dito. Pinakamaraming churba dito dati sa...
actually dito din film yung bagong yung bagong Apple TV na show, yung Pachinko. Yeah. So, anyways, we're gonna go walk. Maraming dito, maraming mga restaurants, ayan mga fish and chips, tapos maraming parang fresh seafood restaurants. Saan mo gusto pumunta? Doon?
Okay, saan?
Or dito? Dito tayo?
Dito?
Ha. Another restaurant, Blue Canoe. And this one goes into like the little, para siyang mini town, mini city. Marami din mga finifilm dito na shows. Oo, yung 'di ba? You?
Oh. Dito din ba?
Yeah. Yan. So, maglalakad tayo papunta doon ngayon. Then, punta tayo sa may mga stores. Souvenir stores. More fish store. Ayan. Tapos doon, puro boats. And then once a year, in the summer, parang may sila. Nagpupunta yung mga Japanese boats. And they look really cool.
Dito? Oh, hindi ko pa naano kanina.
Yeah. Diyon, tignan mo, meron din dito. Punta ka dito, yun. Ito yung sinasabi namin na parang canning museum na ngayon. Tapos maraming parking. No?
Oo.
Pero yung mga ganito, yung mga lot na parking may bayad. But if you find one on the streets, that's free. But it's a bit tricky to find something on the streets. Maganda din dito yung ano, yung cherry blossoms. Ayan, you can see partially some. But there's a park where there's a lot of cherry blossoms. We just don't know where it is.
Saan? Marami doon sa ano.
Yeah. Yeah. And then the Screamers is like a ice cream shop, shakes. Pretty famous, I think. Screamers. Look. Ano? Ah, ayan yung ano. Cherry blossoms. Ganda, diba? So this is the cannery that we were talking about kanina. You can actually go in there now. It's a museum and gift shop. I've never been in there because I'm not really interested, but if you were, I mean, that's also a place that you can go to. Since it's usually raining here, that's one of the things that you can do while it's raining.
Yeah.
And then andito on the left is the Steveston Pizza. Oh, right, sorry. Steveston Pizza. And if you keep walking, there's a lot of, oh, another fish shop. Lots of restaurants, fish and chips, Greek restaurants. But people also live here, so that's why there's Save on Food and then a bank. Oh.
Oh, look at that.
Wow, nice illustrations. Steveston Coffee. I think we bought coffee there one time.
Yeah.
And then all the back alleys kind of lead back to the Fisherman's Wharf, so that's nice. High tea. Oh, may high tea pala dito. Yeah. You want to do it? It's high tea. Jewelry store. Jewelry store. Oh, they make jewelry there.
Jewelry classes.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah. See, I don't know if this looks familiar to you guys, but it was in one of the Netflix shows as a backdrop. And then here is a store called Nikaido, and I really like that store. And then Kat's looking at clothes. And then look at this. It's a bread store, and it looks really cool. Romania country bread. Cool. Okay, so now we're gonna order our pizza.
Yes, and then maghahanap kami ng flavors kung anong magugustuhan namin.
Yeah. And Kat's looking at the menu right now. Hello. So we got our pizza already. It's right here. And so we're gonna go to the parking because I think it's over. We only paid for an hour of parking, so it's probably over now. Nothing dogs. Did you see? I don't know if you saw, but yeah, we're gonna walk back. Easy, easy, easy. Go, go. sugar. Dito na kami nakapark. Ang parking pala was $2.50 per half an hour. So we paid $5 for an hour. We're gonna eat in the car. This is our pizza. Wow! So this one has salmon, prawns. Tama ba?
Yeah, and then scallions.
Scallions or scallops?
Scallion.
So, kain na muna kami.
So, kakain na muna kami guys. I think i-end na muna namin yung video ngayon. Tapos,
just watch out for our next vlog.
yep, see you guys next time. Thank you everyone.